In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Supabase to send emails from your domain. By the end, your Supabase project will send confirmations, magic links, and password resets using your own domain through a custom SMTP provider. Start by heading to the Supabase dashboard. If you're spinning up something new, create a new project. Otherwise, open the project you want to configure. Either route is fine. What matters is that you're inside the correct project where authentication emails are being sent. Next, open the Authentication section from the left sidebar. Inside Authentication, switch to the Email tab to manage how emails are delivered. From there, open SMTP Settings. This is where we'll point Supabase to your email provider so messages come from your domain instead of the default setup. Enable Custom SMTP. Turning this on tells Supabase to relay emails through your provider. Now fill out the fields carefully. For sender email address, use an address at your domain that your provider allows to send, such as a no reply or support address. For sender name, enter a friendly name your users will recognize, like your product or company name. In host, paste the SMTP host name from your provider, for example, something like smtpoutyourprovider.com. For port number, many providers use 587 for TLS or 465 for SSL. Confirm the exact port in your provider's docs. Minimum interval per user controls how frequently a single user can receive emails. This helps prevent accidental floods. Keep it conservative during development and adjust as your flow stabilizes. For username and password, use the SMTP credentials issued by your provider. Sometimes the password is an app-specific token or API key. Treat these as secrets and handle them carefully. Double check for typos. Incorrect host names, ports, or credentials are the most common reasons emails fail to send. You'll see a note that after enabling custom SMTP, the rate limit for sending emails increases to 30 and can be adjusted. This gives you more headroom for signups and password resets while retaining safeguards against abuse. A few quick tips as you complete the form. Make sure the from address matches the domain you send from. Consistency improves deliverability. Prefer secure connections like TLS when offered. If deliverability matters, alignment features provided by your email service, such as SPF or DKIM, can help, and your provider's dashboard will show the exact values to use. With these settings in place, your Supabase project will send email from your domain, giving users a trustworthy experience and keeping your brand front and center. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you configure your own project.